Hi, I'm James from Samplify, here to help you with your software ecosystem, ideally help you find savings very, very quickly. So firstly, did you realize that there's probably 20 to 25% of an opportunity within your ecosystem to save money on your software? And you can do it really quickly and easily. Traditionally, obviously, it's a really challenging thing to do to look at software optimization. It can take many enterprise companies years to look at this sort of challenge. However, we're here to help. Using artificial intelligence, we've built a system that can supercharge your team to get to these results literally in minutes. And we keep it really easy. So what is the challenge? Well, as you'll know, people are buying an enormous amount of software over the years. It all adds up. And the challenge is it is not humanly possible for anyone to understand the capabilities of the software that they have now purchased. And with many companies having hundreds, if not thousands, if not tens of thousands of pieces of software, there is an enormous amount of overlap. It is totally unreasonable for the companies to expect any individual to be able to answer questions about the software, and therefore people in teams like procurement often get put in a very difficult position. People are coming to them with new requests, they're asking for new software tools, and it's nearly impossible for that team to cope with the request confidently and know if they already have a tool out there that does the same thing. The result? Massive amounts of duplication, around 35%. So what can we do? We've built a purpose-built AI to help with this challenge. It looks at not the software that you just have and the numbers of software, so just like an ITAM tool, we actually look at the capabilities of the software. So what does it actually do? And then the AI compares every single tool in your software ecosystem to every other tool, a task that no software consulting firm is ever going to do for you, and you would be hard pushed to do it yourself. So what does that look like? Well, you can see on the screen here an output from the system. So the client in question has just told us two pieces of information, two simple pieces of information. One, who's the publisher? And two, what's the product? And that's it, that and that. That's the starting point. Once we give that to the AI, it then goes out and compares everything. It adds an explanation of what the tool does. So suddenly you are empowering your people to understand the capabilities of every tool in your ecosystem, the use cases, the capabilities it's giving your company, how many other tools it could replace within your software ecosystem, how often companies like yours do this. And then it gives you the examples. So here's another tool that you have. It's made by these guys. This is the product. These are the capabilities that that tool gives you. These are the replacement use cases it can give you. And then here's why your organization might take this action. Suddenly you have an enormous amount of data at your fingertips, but it doesn't stop there because this is only half the battle. We then work with you and using our AI to actually help the users migrate from one tool to another, overcoming the natural resistance that you get from users to change. So if you'd like to see how we can do this for you, give me a shout, drop me an email, get in touch on YouTube or on X, and we will take your data and uncover and unlock all of these amazing opportunities. On average, as I said, we're finding 20 to 35%, which if you know your software budget is probably millions of dollars a year. Look forward to hearing from you soon.